So question is 5 x cube y comma minus 2 by 3 x cube and y. So you have to subtract it because there is negative sign, right? So you just take a bracket and put 5 minus 2 by 3, okay, and x cube y. So 3 fives 15 minus 2 divided by 3, right? X cube y. So your answer will be 13 by 3 x cube y. Okay. So is there any problem? 8 to 7?
Could you go back to the board, please?
Okay, fine. Is it done?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
And after that, question number 2, okay, in which question number 1 is 3x comma minus 5x comma 7x. What will be the answer, guys? Yeah, tell me. 5, 7, 9.
9x.
But how?
I got 5x. Me too.
9x. No, I don't think 9x. When you subtract 5x from 3x, you'll get negative 2x, and negative 2x plus 7x, so it will 5x. Okay, so your answer will be 5x. You all have the same answers? You all have same answers? Tell me.
I got 5x.
What are you writing, 5 and 5? Are you writing something? Or just check your questions?
Yeah, I'm checking my questions.
Okay, fine. And after that, question number 2, 7xy comma 2xy comma minus 8xy. Tell
I
me.
got 1xy.
What?
1xy. XY. Only
Okay,
xy.
it's xy, okay, because 1 is hidden.
Y and xy are same.
Yeah, both are same because 1 is hidden. 1 is hidden. It is identity number, so you don't have any need to write 1, okay? Especially you can write xy, okay. And after that, question number 3 is negative 2 abc comma 3 abc comma abc. So what will be the answer, guys?
2ABC.
2ABC.
2 abc, yeah, correct. And after that, question number 4 is 3mn comma negative 5mn comma 8mn comma 4mn.
2mn.
Yeah,
Amen.
2mn. You all impressed me, okay? Question number 5, 2x cube comma 3x cube and negative 4x cube comma negative 5x cube. 8 to 8, tell me the answer. No, no, no. I'm asking to 8 to 8. What will be the answer?
What I got was negative 4x3.
Yeah, negative 4x3. Okay, fine. Question number 3. Simplify the following combining like terms. So question number 1 is 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. So it will be
Can you say that again?
AB minus 32.
question number 3. Question number 1. Okay. 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. So when you
80.
simplify, you will get 8b minus 32.
80. 32.
8b minus 32. And after that, question number 2, 12m square minus 9m plus 5m minus 4m square minus 7m plus 10.
AM squared negative
Yeah,
2m negative 5. What's what?
negative,
And m
no,
squared minus
I got
no,
AM squared
11m
minus
plus
11
10.
positive 10.
plus 10. Yeah, she's correct.
Positive.
It will plus 10, okay? So 5, 7, 9, just check it once, okay? Yeah, 5 and 5. What will you get? 10 or 5?
And
Teacher,
Yeah, yeah,
what does it mean like square? Does it mean like 4?
no. When we said when we are talking about a square, then it means something which has power 2, like 2 to the power 2,
Oh.
2 to the power 2, then we call it a square, and then it's 2 to the power 3, then we call it cube. Okay, something which have power 3, then we call it cube. 3 cross 3 cross 3. Yeah, 5 and 9, what happened?
So is the answer 10? Or do
Yeah,
I just
it's
say it's just 10?
see, 1 second, you have 12m square, okay, and 4m square. So when you subtract 4 minus 12, you'll get 8. So first term will be 8m square, okay. Then we are going to only second one. It's minus 9m plus 5m minus 7m. So minus 9 plus 5, it will be negative 4m. Negative 4m minus negative 7m, it will 11m. Okay, so 8m square minus 11m plus 10. Okay, plus 10, because there is only one constant term, so you just put the constant term, so it will 8m square minus 11m plus 10. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, after that, question number 3 is negative z square plus 13z square negative 5 sorry uh, negative z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z.
Can you repeat that?
Yeah,
Can you repeat that?
yeah. Negative z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z.
negative 20z plus 12z squared plus 7z cubed.
I think how it will 20, not 20. See, just listen to me, okay? So first check which has the highest power, which has highest power. So it's 7z cube, right? 7z cube. So you first write 7z cube. After that, check square. So you have negative z square plus 13 z square. So it will become 12z square, right? 12z square. and after that you have negative 5z and negative 15z, so it will 20z, negative 20z. So your answer will be 7z cube plus 12z square minus 20z. Okay.
Can you repeat that?
Answer 7z cube plus 12z square minus 20z. Okay, so you all have the same answer or you have to correct
Yeah.
it?
Can you see that
Okay.
again?
Say once again 827.
Can you say that again? Like the 7z square plus 12z square
Minus 20z. Minus 20z.
minus 20z.
Okay. 514. What happened? Are you comfortable with this?
Yeah.
You know how to solve it?
Yes.
Okay, fine. If you have any problem, then you can tell me, okay? Because
Okay.
try to respond. It will helpful. Try to respond, okay? Okay, fine. After that, question number 4 is 5x square y minus 5x plus 3yx square minus 3y square plus x square minus y square plus 8x y square minus 3y square. Can anyone tell me what will be the answer? I think it's dangerous question, guys.
Can you repeat that?
You have
5x
the
square y.
photo. 815. You have photo.
Yeah, can you repeat that, please?
Yeah, I can repeat, but it will take too much time, and I have to start new topics. So
5x square y plus 6x squared plus 11xy squared
once again,
minus 2y squared minus 4y squared.
Um, anyone else? 536, 575, 827, 828. Yeah, 575. Tell me what will be the answer. Your answer is incorrect. 579.
Wait, is it minus 6y squared?
Once again. Once again, I'm going to tell you, okay? Yeah, 575. Tell me what is the answer?
5x to the second power y plus 11xy to the second power plus
Mm,
6x to the second
no,
power
no. Tell me
minus
answer. No need to repeat question. Tell me the answer.
I am telling you the answer.
Okay, so your answer is incorrect. Yeah, 536. Tell me.
Let me just. Six, 16xy. I mean,
No,
16xy.
no. Okay. Let me discuss. You have 5x square y. Okay, you have 5x square y and um, 3yx square. See, 3yx square. 3yx square is like, and 5x square y, both are like term. So you add both the term, then you'll get 8x square y. Okay, 8x square y is your first term. Just write it down. Write it down. Otherwise, you forget the values. Write it. 8x square y, and after that. You have to check 3 no, you have xy square, 8x is xy square, there is single term. Okay, so just write it down. 8x square y plus 8xy square.
What was that last number that you said? 8x?
8x square y plus 8xy square. In first x is square and in second y is square. Okay, there is
Okay.
minor difference. Yeah, and after that there is minus 5 square.
Does
Mi-
8x square y plus 8xy square equal 16xy square? Wait, 16x square y.
no, 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 no. I'm telling you, na. I'm telling you. So after these term, there is negative 5x square and plus x square. So there is negative 5x square and x square. So it will become minus 4x square, right? So third term is minus 4x square. Just write it down. Minus 4x square. Okay, and after that you have to check y. Okay, so negative 3y square, negative y square, it will become minus 4y square, and negative 3y square, then it will become minus 7y square. So your fourth term is minus 7y square. So your answer is 8x square. I'm just writing. Okay, I'm just writing because I think you are confused, guys.
Teacher,
Yeah.
like, can you write like the sentences, because like I can't really like write everything while you're saying it. So I write slow.
What happened? Can you repeat?
Like, can you like write like where do you get all this stuff?
Mm, don't panic, okay? Is it? It is your first class, so don't panic. This is homework. I'm discussing homework. They are solved them the question and they shared the picture. I'm just discussing, so I didn't use whiteboard. Okay, so don't you don't need to panic. Okay. Okay, so your question is 5x square y. 5x square y. Can anyone tell me the question? Question number 4.
5x is squared y minus 5x squared
Plus,
plus
3y
3x
squared
yeah,
minus 3y squared
okay.
plus x squared minus y squared plus 8xy squared minus 3y squared.
Uh, minus 3y square, right? So, okay. So, your answer will be C. 5x square y and 3y x square. So, both term are equal. Both term are like term, okay? There is also x square, there is also x square, there is y, there is y, and 5. And this term is not like term, okay? This term is, there is x and y square, and they are x square and y. So you just add this one and this one. So you'll get 8x square y. And you can see that there is no like term, okay? There is this one is unique term in this, so you just write it here, okay? 8x y square, and after that you have negative 5x square and x square, okay? So it will become negative 4x square, and after that negative 3y square and y square. So it will become negative 4y square, and after that when you add negative 4 y plus negative 3y, then you'll get negative 7y square. So this will be your answer. Okay. So can we move to the next question?
Yes.
Okay, so question number 5 is p minus bracket p minus q bracket closed minus q minus
Wait,
p
I'm
bracket.
confused. You said P minus brackets, P minus brackets. I don't
You
understand.
have question? You have question?
I have a question, but like, when you're saying it, it doesn't make sense. It really, I don't really get it.
Okay, I'm going to write it because I think it's a little bit complicated for you guys. Okay.
Like those like
Can
logic.
anyone can anyone tell me the answer of this question? You have
P
solved
minus
this.
Q.
Yeah, absolutely correct. Who is saying? Who told me the answer? P minus
5
Q.
and 5.
Yeah, very good. 5 and 5. Okay, I'm going to write the question. Okay, so it's
I don't
P.
answer it.
It's P minus Q. P minus Q minus Q minus P minus Q. So you know that when there is negative sign before bracket, so the value inside the bracket, the sign inside the bracket are changed. So when you remove the brackets, p minus, so it minus sign become positive, right? So it's p plus q. It's p plus q minus q plus p minus q. So you can see that p minus p, so it will become 0, right? Plus you have q minus q, it also becomes 0. So what will you get? P minus q. So your answer is P minus q. I think you all understand, guys. So can we move to the next question? Question number 6. 3a minus 2b minus ab minus a minus b plus 3a plus ab plus 3ab plus b minus a. So what will be the answer?
A plus AB.
A plus ab. Yeah, absolutely correct. Yeah, absolutely correct. Okay, after that, question number 7 is just note the answer. Okay, so it will helpful in correction. Okay, question number 7 is 3y square plus 5y minus 4 bracket close minus bracket 8y minus y square minus 4. So answer will be
4y squared negative 3y.
yeah, absolutely correct. So your question number 4 is, I think, left portion. we'll discuss in chat box. Okay, so I think we should learn something new because your time is already over. At least one topic, we have to discuss at least one topic. Okay, so today we are going to learn that value of an algebraic expression. Okay, how to find value of an algebraic expression. Okay, so listen, an algebraic expression contains one or more variables, right? One or more variable which represents number. Okay, variable have different value, its value varies. Okay, so the value of expression depend upon the value of variable. So the value of whole expression, like you have x plus 3. Okay, so the value of whole expression depend on x. What if x is 2? So it will become 5. If x is 3, then it will become 6. If 10, then it will become 13. So the value of expression depends upon the value of variables. In order to, yeah,
Because
tell me.
variable changes what the value of the coefficient is, right?
No, we are discussing value of value of variables. Like, see, you have an expression like x plus 10. Okay, so we are discussing value of variable, value of this x. Okay, so the value of this whole expression depends upon x.
X.
Yeah,
Because X could be a number maybe or something.
yeah, it may be any number. So in order to obtain the value of expression, we simply replace each variable by its value and get a numerical expression, and then evaluate it by usual method of arithmetic. So just write a note. Okay, just write a note. The process of finding the process of finding the value of an algebraic expression.
And what you say that geometric obstruction, I don't know what you said. You said it again, I couldn't hear you well.
Okay, just write it down. Okay, the process of finding the value of an algebraic expression.
Process.
8 to 8, what are you doing?
The work.
Okay, the process of finding the value of algebraic expression by replacing the variables
The process
by
of,
their
is that again the process of
finding the value of an algebraic expression
the value of algebra expressions?
by replacing the variables
Or the process of finding the value of, I don't get it. You're saying it too fast.
okay, last time. Okay, the process of finding the value of an algebraic expression by replacing the variables by their particular values is called substitution. Is called substitution. See, if you have any value, okay, if you have any value like x plus 5x, right? X plus 5x, and there is given that x is equal to 4. So you have to find the value of expression. Can anyone tell me what will be the answer?
If x was 4 for x plus 5x, it will equal 9x.
See, there is x square plus 5x, okay, and it is given that x is equal to 4. So can you solve this?
X squared plus 5x
Yeah.
equals.
So you put 4 at the place of x, okay. When you put 4 at the place of x, then you can call it substitution, okay.
And then will the answer be 9x squared?
How?
Maybe.
You know that x is equal to 4. You know that
Yes.
x is equal
So
to 4.
4. So
Yeah.
it's the 4 is 4 square. 4
Yeah,
square
4
plus
square.
4 square plus 5x.
5 cross 4. You have to replace the value of x. You have to replace
So it's
x by 4. Okay. So
so
4
it's
square is
4 squared
16.
plus 4 squared plus 20.
Yeah. So 16 plus 20. That is
That goes
36.
36.
Okay.
Oh,
So
36.
we are going to solve the questions. So I'm writing here question and you have to solve. Okay.
Can you give us like another example and then like see if we could solve it? Because I'm
Yeah,
little
I'm
bit.
giving you questions. I'm giving you questions, guys. Okay. So here x is equal to 2. Okay. Here x is equal to 2 for all. Okay. For all x is equal to 2. So question number 1 is for 575. It's x plus 4. X plus 4. It's x square plus 4. Okay. And question number 2 is for 536. For x minus 3, and question number 3 is for 514. 19 minus 5x square. Question number 4 is for, just give me a second, guys. 579, it will 100 minus 10x cube, and after that question number 5 is for 827. 5x minus 2, and question number 6 is for 828. 5x square plus 5x minus 2, and question number 7 is for 515. Have you completed your questions?
Yes.
Not yet. Almost.
Okay. 7x minus 4x. Yeah, done. So question number 1, tell me who's solving question number 1. 5 and
Me?
5, right? Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. 8.
Okay, 4 plus 8. Yeah, absolutely correct. And 536, your question is 4x minus 3.
5, 11.
Yeah, 4 cross 2, 4 to the 8 minus 3, 5. And question number 3 is for 514, right? Tell me. Tell me, you have 19 and you have to minus 5 x square, and you know that x is equal to 2, so x square will be 4. Okay, 2 to the power 2, then x square will be 4, and 5 cross 4 is 20. So when you subtract 20 from 19, then you'll get negative 1. So your answer is negative 1.
Yes, I got it right.
Okay, question number 4 is for no.
Can I see the answer?
No.
Everybody gets
Wait
it.
for your turn. Wait for your turn. Okay, you have push. So 5 and 9, tell me answer.
Is it 90x cubed?
Yeah, no, but how? You have 100 minus 10x cube. X cube. X cube will be 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is equal to I'm not expecting this from you. See, you have 100 minus 10 cross x cube, right? So you just write 100. You just write 100 minus 10 cross. You know that x is equal to 2. So you have 2 to the power 3. And you know that 2 to the power 3 is 2 cross 2 cross 2. So it will 8. Okay. 100 minus 8 is 80. So when you subtract 80 from 100, what will you get? 20. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. And after that, yeah, 5 to 7. Tell me question number 5.
I'm 8 to 7.
Okay, 8 to 7. Tell me.
I think the answer is 8.
8. 5 cross 2, 10 minus 2. Yeah, absolutely correct. Yeah, 8 to 8.
I think it's 8 square.
8 square?
Yeah.
But how? You have to put value for all these now. There is x square and there is x. When you put here x square, 5 cross 4, it will become 5
That's what I
cross
did.
4, 20 plus 5 cross 2 is 10, 20 plus 10. You understand? 20 plus 10 is 30 and 30 minus 2 is 28. See, you have to replace x by 2, okay? Where
Okay.
x and you have to put 2, okay? When you put 2, then your answer is 28. Yeah, 815. Tell me answer of last question. 815. Tell me.
Oh, last question. Last question.
Yeah, last question.
6.
Yeah, very good. It's 6. So I think this topic is completed. Okay, and if
Can you show the whiteboard again?
yeah, see, if the value
I
of
got it now.
more
okay.
than one variable is given, so you have solved by this method. Okay, see, if you have given that there is a square, okay, you have given a question that a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this is the question, and it is given that a is equal to a is one second guys,
What?
a is equal to 3, okay, and b is equal to 2. So you have to replace a by 3 and b by 2. Okay, so what will you write? 3
Wait,
square, you know that?
isn't x equal to? Doesn't x equal to?
No, it can be any variable. It can be any variable. It is not mandatory that there is only x. Okay, it will x, it will y, it will z, m, n. It can be anything. Okay, it is variable. When any variable is given, so its value is given. Okay, just like this. Okay, so you have to replace a by 3. So a square means 3 square plus 2 cross what
Is
what
it
should I
20?
write?
I think 21.
A is equal to 3 cross
Cross 2.
2 plus b square means 2 square. So what will be the answer? 3 square means 3
I did it
3s are
a
9.
different way.
Yeah,
I did it a different way. I put 9 plus 12 plus 4.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wait, you
2
do
3s are 6.
3 and 6.
Yeah, it's 12 plus.
12.
Plus 4.
So your final answer will be 12 plus 2
That's 2.
14.
How is
It
it
would be
equal
4.
to the power of 2?
Because it's 2
Sorry
sides
guys,
of
sorry
2.
guys, it will be 4. Okay, yeah, very good.
Huh?
I'm just checking your attention.
Is it 25, teacher?
Yeah,
Oh.
so this is your final answer. I think you understand, guys.
Okay.
So
Understand.
would you like to solve some question on this?
I
First
understand.
complete your sheet, okay? Second part of that sheet, because only 575 completed both, okay? So you
Okay.
have to complete second sheet also, okay? So just complete both the sheet, and after that I'm going to send you the questions on this topic. Okay,
This,
Okay.
anyone have any problem regarding this?
No, I don't have
No.
a problem.
no, but,
Is there any homework?
I'm going to send you questions. Okay,
What was reset in the chat?
in chat box I'm going to send you. Okay,
in the WhatsApp
after the
chat?
class.
The Microsoft Teams chat.
Oh. But, like, where? Because I can't see it. Seriously.
When you leave, there will be a button that says chat, and
There
then
will
you
be a
press
pop-up.
that.
Okay,
Press
then
on
you'll get
chat. Press on chat in the list. There's like activity, chat, teams, assignments, and everything.
Oh,
Press on
wait.
chat and find mathematics grade 6.
Yeah, mathematics grade 6. The chat, right? This
Yeah.
chat. And, like, no, because I'm not
Yeah.
with her. Like, I don't have her chat. That's why I'm not, like, I'm not joined to her chat.
So can you write on the chat?
so this is your last topic, guys, and after that we are going to discuss next topic. Okay, so your all this syllabus of this topic is completed, that is algebraic and numeric expression.
Okay.
Okay, so first complete the those two sheets, and after that try to solve this. Okay,
Okay.
which I'm going to send you. So
Okay.
okay, okay, now you may leave.
Bye
Have a good day, guys.
See you on Monday.
bye. Bye bye.